If you're watching this video, you might have tried every possible way to make money online. And every single method you have tried, it probably didn't work out for you. And you know what? I know how it feels. And it only makes you depressed and angry. But in today's video, I'm going to show you a legit, beginner-friendly way to actually make your first couple of dollars online per day. But before I do that, I want you to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new upcoming videos. Alright guys, let's jump right into the video. Now as you can see here, I am in my Share a Sale dashboard. Now Share a Sale is a affiliate marketing and CPA marketing platform which allows you to promote different types of offers or even different types of stores. And right here below you can see my results. I can refresh the page if you like, and as you can see here, I have made $175 in net sales and $51 in commissions. Now this was back in the time I was getting started, and all of this was from free Instagram and Facebook traffic, which I'm going to be showing you later on in this video. Now if you don't know what Share a Sale is, you can basically sign up. It's basically free, and let me show you what the affiliate offers look like now. So this is my Fashion Mia dashboard, and as you can see here, they are a clothing store and they pay out 15% per sale. And right here you can see the EPC. EPC is basically earnings per 100 clicks. So every time you get 100 clicks to their website, you will earn approximately $11. And this is just Share a Sale, but I'm going to be showing you a much easier method on how you can make 50 or 100 bucks per day with CPA or affiliate marketing using MaxBounty. Now MaxBounty is a CPA marketing platform which allows you to also promote similar products just like I showed you right here. So basically you can Google it really quick and sign up for both. You won't have any problems signing up. And now basically you want to pick a product you want to promote. Now I already went through MaxBounty and I chose the keto weight loss diet because it was performing very well, and it has a 0.84 cents earnings per click. So every time you get a US, Canada, UK, Ireland, Irish click, you will make 84 cents. Of course, not all of those clicks will convert. So let's just say every 100 clicks you will make $84 on average. And basically this is a keto diet weight loss product which you can promote with free traffic but also paid traffic, and they will pay you $72 per lead. And what this means is that every time you promote a customer or a person to this product and they purchase it, you will make $72. Now I will be showing you how to promote these offers with using free traffic but also paid traffic. Now if you're a beginner, I recommend you using free traffic sources. Of course it's going to take more time to see results using free traffic sources like Instagram pages, Facebook pages, or DMing all these people you're going to be following. And the faster way is using Instagram shoutouts or use a bot to grow Instagram pages. Now a bot that will grow Instagram pages is automated, so all you have to do is pay a monthly fee for the bot, and you can basically create 10-20 Instagram accounts and promote the offer. I will be showing you that in a few seconds. And also Instagram shoutouts, you're going to be basically going to influencers and asking them to promote your sales funnel. Now if you want to promote an affiliate product like this, we're going to be using a sales page. Now a sales page is basically, or sorry, a bridge page or a lead capture page. Now why you need this bridge capture page, this squeeze page, is because you cannot promote the affiliate link directly on Facebook or Instagram. You're gonna get your account banned, and just don't do it. You're not even gonna get any sales. You need to provide some value, and let me show you how to do that. Okay, let's just say we're gonna be promoting the keto weight loss product, and to do that we have to create a landing page. And creating a landing page is really simple using Builderall. It's basically a digital marketing platform which allows you to build websites, funnels, and much more. It's only $9.90 per month, and trust me, if you copy what I'm going to be showing you here, I promise you're going to make a few sales in your first few days. So basically we're going to use a squeeze page. You can find it right here. You go to drag and drop pixel perfect sales pages and find the squeeze page. You're gonna click edit template, and I had time before this video and created a simple yet good landing page which will convert. And you want to keep it simple and create a similar one to this landing page. Okay, so what I said here is secret reveals the 30-day ketosis, or however you pronounce that, diet and the easiest way to burn fat. And basically here I just copied what was written here. So the easiest way to burn fat when your body is blah 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 blah, I just copied it here. And here all you have to do is go to action, web address, and simply paste your affiliate link right there. Now, once you created a landing page on Builderall and connected your affiliate link, make it simple like this. You can create, save and publish, okay? And once you're done saving and publishing your page, I literally created this in like 2 or 3 minutes. I'm serious, guys. Now, once you created a page like this and linked up to your affiliate link, you're gonna actually decide whether you're gonna be using the free traffic source or the fast one, the paid traffic source. Now, if you do have some money to spend, I really highly recommend you use the fast traffic source, because you're gonna see results much faster, much quicker. Now, I'm gonna show you the free traffic source and also the fast one. So let's get right into it. So basically, if you're gonna be promoting the keto weight loss product, you're gonna want to go to a fitness page like this, something like this, fitness lovers. As you can see here, it has 2 million followers, but this is mainly a men's page, so you want to find a woman's page, since this is a weight loss product for women. Fitness, girl workouts. Yeah, this is a pretty cool page. You can see that they are showing how to lose fat, also different types of diets. Now, when you're going to be using the free traffic method, you're going to create a brand new Instagram account, okay? And you're going to name it something like girl.abs or girl.loseweight or girl. Diet. You get what I'm saying? You're going to create an account in this similar niche, so the weight loss niche, and you're going to post a nice picture. You're going to post like 6 to 9 pictures just to create the account, and post a simple, nice, short bio, okay? And post something like this: stay motivated, tag this in your pictures. And here on in your bio, you're going to post, if you want to check out how to lose fat, click the link below. And the link below is going to be your landing page from Builderall, and it's simple as that. Now, once you create this type of account, you have the link in your website and you have your bio set up, everything looking perfect. You're going to have 0 followers because this is a brand new account. And bear in mind that once you are doing this method, you want to be posting 1 picture per day, so your followers know you're active. And how are you going to be getting followers? Well, you're going to be using the follow-unfollow method. Now, this is very highly effective, and you're basically going to have an account, a workout account, and you're gonna be going into accounts like this and following all of their followers, because these people are already interested in losing weight, in fitness. And we're gonna be following all these people, and let's just say 20, 30, 40% of these people are gonna follow you back. And if you follow 500 people per day, every day, times let's just say 20% or 30%, okay, so you're gonna be gaining 150 followers per day. If you're gonna be following 500 people per day for 30 days, you're gonna be getting 4.5k new followers per month. And after 3, 4, 5 days, you want to unfollow all these people you have been following. And out of all these 4,500 people, there is a potential of, let's just say 50% of these people actually click on your page and check out your profile, like your images, comment, and think show you what they think, okay? And they're actually going to be clicking the link in your description. And from these 50%, from these 4,500 followers you gained, 2,250 are going to actually click the link in your bio. And let's just say that only 1% of these people purchase your product. That's 22 people per month purchasing your product. And per lead, you will earn $72. So 22 people times $72 equals, there you go, you just made your first $1,584 your first month. Now, bear in mind, the more people you follow, the more people you interact with, the more people you DM, the more potential sales you can get. And I'm showing you that it's so easy to actually make $1,000 per month. And bear in mind, I have used this method myself, and as you can see here, I made like $50 in a few days, and it really does work. And this is a great free traffic method. And now let me show you a paid one that's gonna get you much faster results. Now, you're gonna do the exact same thing as in step 1 with the free traffic source. You want to gain, you want to create an account and everything, okay? Or you can use a personal one, and you want to DM influencers in your niche. So let's just say you're gonna be promoting the exact same product with the exact same landing page, okay? You're gonna go to influencer, an Instagram influencer, let's just say like this, Worlds of Fitness, and these guys have 328,000 followers, and you want to check if their engagement is good. Now these guys have low amounts of likes, so I wouldn't actually go with this account. As you can see here, like 2,000 likes, 300 likes, and they have 328,000 followers. So I would actually move away from these guys. But these guys too, yep, so nope. You want to actually search for these kinds of influencers that have a good engagement rate, so they have lots of likes on their posts. Fit 1.2 million followers. Oh, this is a good account. As you can see here, these guys have 2.2 million followers, 1.2 million followers, and they get 15k, 20k, 1k, okay, that's a bad picture, 5k, okay, they get about 10k on average per post. So you want to DM this influencer on his email, ads.represent.ly, and you want to post, you want to text something like, hey, I want to do a shout out, what are your rates? Now they're gonna text back with a price, and if the price is, let's just say these guys charge $200, $300, or like $500, whatever your budget is, okay? You can find a much smaller influencer. Okay, you want to find an Instagram influencer with decent amount of followers, above 50k, and which has a good engagement rate. Now I found this awesome yoga account which gets 30, 20, 50,000 views per video. And what you want to do is message this guy and type something like, hey, I love your page and I have an awesome product I would like to promote. What are your rates for a shout out? Now they're gonna reply with a price, okay? and they're gonna ask you if you want to do a story shout out and a post. Now I would actually recommend you do a story shout out, and because the story has a swipe up feature, and since this account has 400,000 followers, a story post would get, I'd say, 50k views easy. And if you have a good budget, I mean, this account would charge probably like $1 or $200 per story. But let's just say out of those 50,000 people that see your story are gonna actually, like, 10% of these people are gonna swipe up. Okay, that's just 10%. Now that's 5,000 potential clicks. And again, as I said, if only 1% of these people purchase. So 50,000 people view the story, 10% swiped up, that's 5,000 people, and 1% purchased. That's 50 people times 72 is $3,600 dollars, and you spend, let's just say, $200 on the shout out. So that's a profit of 3.4k, and you can just rinse and repeat. You can just look for more accounts, you can just look for more influencers and make a bunch of money. So there you guys go. This is a perfect method for beginners to make money online. There's actually a little to no work required, just picking the offer, making the landing page, which takes 5 to 10 minutes, and depending on your budget, using the free method or the paid method, whatever you like. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. These are my results after only a few days of promoting Fashion Mia. So yes, this method does work. Please make sure to subscribe and like and comment below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.